Hello and welcome. I'm at Knaus Live at Caravan Salon, Dusseldorf. So I'm going to take you for a little walk around before we go and have a look at a motorhome. And you can see there's a lot of motorhomes here. And what we're going to do, we're going to have a look at that one there, and let's go into it. This is the Live TI Platinum Selection 650 MF. It says new. Let's find out if it is. Right, so this vehicle will cost nearly 90,000 euros. It is a well, that's not working. Oh, it is working. Sorry, it's me. I'm not strong enough. It's nearly 7 meters long, 694 centimeters long. It's got 2 meters of standing height inside, and it's got 232 centimeters outer width and 218 internally. Right, what do I see? Well, I see a bench, I see an L-shaped sitting group, and I see a step up, which I wouldn't expect at this price level. I would expect a flat floor with no steps inside. It's on a Fiat Ducato. It's got, it would have, in normal circumstances, we're in a hall and we've got artificial light, but I think this would be very bright inside thanks to the two skylights. In front, particularly the one over the driver and passengers sides. And we've got, on one side, we've got a window, a sort of a traditional sort of window which opens out, but on this we've got a sliding window, and I think that's a great idea. The reason I like these, there we go, comes out like that, it's because in Spain they've now said that you can't open your windows. You're increasing the floor space of your vehicle by doing that. So that's the difference between camping and parking, right? If you open a window that comes out, you're camping. If you slide window, you are parking. So you can open the window at the front, for example, in a semi-integrated and integrated. It also sort of slides that way, and that one slides that way down. I think that's a very good thing. I don't know if it did that because of it did it for style, or it did it because of the Spanish situation. I don't know. Over here we have a bed, which side bed, and the side bed has the advantage, it's easy to get into. Indeed, it's not very high up at all, so it's you know, it doesn't even come to the top of my leg there. So from that point of view, that's good. What isn't good is this step here. I think these vehicles are designed for older people. I think putting in a step is inviting someone to trip. That's why I think there should be a flat floor all the way back. So storage all the way around there. We've got a curtain which comes here, so you can sort of make it darker at night if you want to. And we've also, on the subject of making dark, we've got this curtain here, which I think looks quite good, to be quite honest. And behind that we've got the Remy window with the darkening pleat, and of course the mosquito screen. Through here we shall find the toilet. Bench toilet here. You walk through the shower to get to it, no problem with that. That's quite common with this layout. And here's the thing on me. There's me in the shower. Lots of space in here. Look at all this. Look at all this. Good, eh? That's all right, no problem with that. Mini skylight in here. And obviously you wouldn't normally have a carpet in the shower, but it's here to protect the floor. Over here we have a sink. Why isn't the sink in there? Because there isn't enough room. Put it here. Again, seems fair enough to me. And below the sink, I've got some storage. And there's a mirror up there, so you can sort of sit on the bed, doing yourself up, as of course I do every day. Looking through there, more storage. Here we will find a wardrobe. Is that closed? work. Oh. Okay, man, leave that. This is the wardrobe. This is the kitchen. It's got 3 burners, nice large range. We've got drawers below it. There's soft close on the drawers. Works. And down there as well, got a bit of storage as well. Goes right to the very back. Good. They thought of putting it to the back. And over here we've got a big fridge. Aircon unit from Dometic. And televisions up here. Large sitting area, which we saw earlier. And let's now have a walk around the outside. Right. Now, you cannot expect a big garage when there's a side bed. So that's what you're getting, and to be quite honest, that isn't so bad. You can also, incidentally, open the bed, right? So you can get into the garage from inside. That's possible. The bed had 2 mattresses. So to one part is to be able to lift it up. You can also access the garage from here as well. So you can't access the garage from here. Sorry, this is the gas cylinder. Sorry, if I were going to edit that, I would take it out. I'm getting confused with models. Anyway, no, okay, you can't access the garage from here. That's where your gas cylinders go. No, also there's drainage below, and it's easy access putting them in here, in my opinion. Let's go around. All right, maybe I should have opened the door properly and then said what I had to say. So I'm going off memory in many cases. Here we've got the service box. It's a good idea. Started doing this a few years ago. You thread your hookup cable through there. Stops it getting stolen, or should do anyway. And got the Truma frost guard in there. Here, this is really, really brilliant. The service, the cleaning feature. You open this up and you can clean the tank, and I think that is really good myself. I mean, you probably even see as well what you're actually cleaning. That's possibly one of the reasons why you really want to use a tank which is this colour, white. Most of them are white. Having said that, I had a vehicle where the freshwater tank was black in colour. Although that might have been done once, it's not done so much now. Okay, thanks for watching this. Knaus fan. If you've seen my vehicles in the past, my videos in the past, you'll know I do not recommend Knaus. Knaus, not only that, it also has now financial difficulties, and that is something you might want to consider. The company has the share price has collapsed for the second time in 3 years. There's a lot of stock holding this Knaus has got. There's a fear that it might release the stock onto the market. Anyway, I've talked about that in other videos. I'll leave you a link below to them. But thanks for watching. All the best from me in Düsseldorf, Germany. Bye for now.